This will be a little short ride just to get some fun in. I haven't been able to ride in a long time because it's been too hot. It's only 98. I gotta be careful on this road because I've almost hit a deer a few times. The deer like to come out and play tag with the motorcycles out here. Gotta be careful. A few weeks ago I actually had one bounce off the side of my leg. It was about like right here. He came up out of that field on the left. Now deer are pretty crazy. You'll be riding in some terrain that's really steep on the sides, and the deer can just go up and down it running, so you got to be careful. Or they just come running right out of the trees. It's not good. And usually they run around in the dawn, in the morning, and then the evening when it's getting dark. I mean, I was out riding earlier with my boys, and we saw 4 deer. So you never know. It is hot August nights. See the clouds, supposed to rain today, we'll see. Got that tropical storm Hillary. I think those are the clouds. And we get denied by the train. This is unfortunate. Unfortunate. Kind of messes up my filming. I'll also get the film with the train. So these trains can last quite a while, actually. So hopefully, looks like it's already been going for about 5 minutes because there's a stack of cars. So now this train's what I call going up the hill, so it's going east. So this is probably loaded with import goods from a place like China, stuff like that, I guess, going to the Midwest and the East Coast. So when they're coming down the hill going the opposite way, they're full of cars. Oh, here's the end. Awesome. I love these Union Pacific trains. Oh boy, this is a long one. Okay, it's just a middle. Gonna get the full experience here. 5611. Maybe we'll see Hobo Shoestring riding the rails. If you know anything about Hobo Shoestring, he's got a channel where he rides all over the place on these trains, man. It's incredible. He knows all the schedules. He's got to memorize when the trains come through, which ones to jump on, where they stop. The dude knows his stuff. He's a real American hobo, as they say. He's the real American hobo. So yeah, Hobo Shoestring. And he goes on some long rides, man. He goes all the way across the country and in the snow and the rain, and he knows all the little campgrounds, and pretty crazy. It's a whole hobo subculture. There you go, frozen food. Whatever is in that one. Yeah, this is a bunch of truck trailers loaded full of stuff, probably. Man, this is a long one. So we've only hope it doesn't stop. If it does, I will have to restart the video, but let's see what to say. 95, I'm getting kind of hot. Dang. Slow it. Oh, looks like he's stopping though. This isn't good. Could be bad. Seems like he's slowing down. If it is, we'll have to make a U-turn and go back. This is usually they're going pretty fast through here. We'll shut her down. You get all the sights and sounds of the railway here. So this is the main railway. This one you see in all the movies and stuff, where they built the railroad to the west. This is it. Oh, here's the end. All right. Awesome sauce, as they say. So we'll fire this up. Whew, I'm sweating, man. It's 98 degrees. These things should come up here quickly. And they're off to the races. Don't know how fast I can go with that stick's kind of pulling on my back. At 80 already. Getting a lot of wind force. Can't go too fast. Fifth gear. 7,000 RPMs, 85 miles an hour. '88, 90, going 90 now. Not a lot of traffic on the down low. Doing 85. Nice and easy cruise. Hope I don't lose my camera. Quite a bit of force pulling on my back, so I don't want to go too fast. It's pulling off from the wind resistance on the camera. Pulling on my jacket. So we're going 80 around the corner here, 80 miles an hour, kind of cruising slow. A little bit of throttle management. I just do 80, cruising 80. Now they just repaved this section of Interstate 80, so it's really nice. So I'm still in fifth gear. And this is a rarity. We're in a nice no traffic area. So 95. There you go, 100. There's a little taste of triple digits. And you see the bike is very smooth, so I don't know, back down to 80. Once you get up to speed, this thing just goes. It's a highway star. It's got big black tires and everything, like the song says. Catching up on some traffic here. Little windy, little side wind. Getting buffeted a little bit, but this bike handles it. Oh, going 88. So going 90 now. 90 mph. Back to 80. I gotta slow down. That's the problem with this bike. You get going, it just goes. You don't even notice it. Winnebago. Now when you get behind these vehicles, there's a little bit of a buffet you feel. Like I'm in the wake, getting buffeted a little bit. Not too bad. Then when you pull by, it's not too bad. Like I'm going 87. That's what I'm talking about. I mean, I don't know. Like this is Saturday, so there's not much traffic. Usually on a weekday this is packed and people are going faster. Going to 88. They're going 90 into the corner here. Downshift a little bit. Put a little juice on. We're gonna get off and get some gas. Here you go. Here's the off ramp. A little bit of freeway action, not too exciting, but I got up to some, did a little bit of 100 miles an hour there, and mostly 80, 90, but yeah, it wasn't too bad. Usually there's a lot heavier traffic and people are more spicy. Don't want to get a ticket. I'll keep her under 80 on the side streets. That's the problem with this thing. It's just so smooth. You tend to drive too fast, but it's fun. I don't know if you can hear that, but that's that sweet, sweet Ducati. engine rev and shifting pop. It gives this nice throttle pop when it shifts. Makes you sound like a pro. Hamburger Hill. So to the left is Forest Hill. There's a nice 20 mile, about 70, curvy, super twisty road. That's where the Harleys are going. Harley. No gear. Oh well. They're braver than I am. No gear. We'll get some gas and then reboot for the next segment here. Well, it works pretty good on my back. I just got to get used to pulling at speed. Look at all that Chevron gas. That street Chevron gas. All right, slow rider out.